Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to send money to your Kraken wallet. Have you ever been in a situation where you need to send money to someone quickly and easily? Maybe you're buying something online, or you're sending money to a friend or family member. If so, then you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to your Kraken wallet, which is a fast, easy, and secure way to transfer funds. Before we get started, there are a few things you'll need to know. First, you'll need to have a Kraken account. If you don't have one already, you can create one for free. Once you have a Kraken account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a simple process that usually takes a few minutes. Once you've verified your identity, you're ready to send money to your Kraken wallet. Here are the steps. Log into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab. Select the deposit option. Choose the currency you want to deposit. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Select the deposit method you want to use. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete your deposit. Once your deposit is processed, the funds will be available in your Kraken wallet. You can then use them to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, or you can withdraw them to your bank account. I hope this video has helped you learn how to send money to your Kraken wallet. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.